What's up everybody? I am here. You guys saw the thumbnail. Give you a little scare. Well, happy April Fools. Of course, it's April 1st. Lots of people putting a lot of things out today, and I figured I would end the day in the best possible way I knew how to give you guys just a little mini heart attack. But thank you for clicking and thank you for coming in anyways, and I am here to stay, of course, as always. I'll be joining you each and every day here on the RockstarFlipper YouTube channel. Don't pay any attention to that thumbnail. Hopefully nobody saw the thumbnail and decided not to click and thinks that it's real and actually doesn't come in to see me, but they'll see the future videos go up. So anyways, if you guys missed yesterday's video, because we're starting a new month, April 1st, I went ahead and linked it for you guys somewhere here or down below. And it's a challenge for you guys to start your April correctly. And if you only see this video now, or you're seeing that video from yesterday now, it's okay. You can start with April 2nd, that's perfectly fine. I wanna challenge everybody, because this channel is about making money and growing your sales and growing your business, to make as much money as you possibly can in April by following the instructions I give you in that video. Very important. Commenting in that video your goals, your current numbers, everything that you want to hit. That way you hold yourself accountable and we can make it the best April as possible. And I guarantee you guys, if you follow that and you do everything I tell you to do in that video and hold yourself accountable and do these processes and procedures, you will have the best April that you've ever had and the best month that you've ever had, you know, depending on your current situation. But let's at least give it the old college try, the old good old effort. So win one for the Gipper, is that what they say? That's what I want you guys to do. That's my important message for you as we start off April 1st. Got some amazing stories for you guys this week coming out from eBay and Amazon and a little bit from Poshmark. I'm gonna go over, because taxes are due 2 weeks from today, a little bit more in the tax situations. With sales tax and federal tax, I'll be putting a video out about that for you guys. And this weekend happens to be the March 6th, Saturday, is the community garage yard sale for my neighborhood, which is 5,000 homes, and then the other neighborhood just down the way, which is 5,000 additional homes. So it's hard, it's from 8 to 2, it's 6 hours. There's 10,000 houses, there's gonna be thousands of houses having sales. So I'm gonna try to do like a huge yard sale, epic yard sale haul. I wanna try to take $400 or $500 to the yard sales and try to see what I can get for that. But we'll have those videos, I'll have those videos probably Sunday and Monday for you guys. So look forward to that. But just wanted to say happy April to everybody. If you have questions, concerns, comments, please email me, rockstarflipper@gmail.com, or leave them in the comment section below. April Fools, sorry if I gave some of you guys a heart attack with the thumbnail in the beginning of the video, but had to have a little fun with everybody. So anything else you can think of, anything else you guys need help with, you know how to get a hold of me. And if you definitely want to make April the best month of your business and your sales ever, in addition to doing what I say to do in that video, you can join us in the private group. It's only 49 bucks for the whole year, and we'll start April off as your first month, and it will be 12 full months from now. You'll be good until April Fools of next year. Use that link below, and I'll see you inside, hopefully. We have a live show tomorrow night on Tuesday, April 2nd, inside for private members only, where we are going to attack all of the things I just mentioned. So I can't wait to have you guys in there. Can't wait to see you the rest of this month, the rest of this week, this weekend for the yard sales, and back to regularly scheduled programming tomorrow morning. Good night, everyone.